Hey everyone, what I'm gonna try today is the very first thing I've ever tried in my life. This is an unboxing of iPad. What it says in front here is Apple iPad with Retina display, Wi-Fi, 16GB, white, 4th generation iPad. It's the first video I'm ever trying to release. Do with an unboxing of an iPad. See how it goes. Let's tear up the first plastic pin in here, skin. Seems a bit tough as it's Apple product already. I got this for the gift, my New Year gift for my brothers. It's sleek, isn't it? Sleek and sexy. The wrapper goes off. I'm gonna now open the iPad, how it looks like. It's a white one. Pretty excited about the white one. Ta-da! Whoa! Look at this. Isn't it nice? Whoa. Nice, smooth, sleek. This is what you get in when you open the first wrapper. Then let's gonna try. Wow, this is what I was been waiting for a long time now. Isn't it cool? Wow. Slick and smooth. What it says in here. Designed by Apple, California, assembled in China. Model A1458. That's the 4th generation. What it says it. Complies with Canadian ICE 003 Class B specifications. Wow. Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Okay, what now I'm gonna do is to see how things are located in here. This seems to be a charging point charger for this one. Charge is quite different. Yeah, this is with the mains adapter, and we can charge in from here. Oh, as well we can try it from charging from this point, as you can see in here. Charging adapters from iPad. Okay, and what is this? Look at this. iPad is the lighting connector. This reads in on and off sleep wake up button. I'll try it back a bit. Okay. This now shows whatever been done. Okay, so this is the charging adapter. Inside, let's try it. Wow, it's nothing. That's it, what I paid for 500 quids. Sorry, that's not 500, 400 quids. Okay, that's all then. I'm gonna take out the charger. It goes in here. Charge in here. Oops, it's wrapped again. Okay, that's it. Off it goes to the lighting connector. Ooh. There's something stick. Wow. I need to unwrap everything. Okay then, that's it. This is my first video of unboxing an iPad 4th generation 16GB white iPad. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you, bye bye.